Okay, here we go again. This is just automatically cutting me off. And what do I have here? My new GoPro. And I have not looked up how to use this. But I need to, because this little booger, I don't know why, but it just won't hold. But anyway, the other thing is when I went to the bird store today to get some bird seed, they have some little like earrings and trinkets and coffee cups and things like that they're starting to have there too. And I got this bracelet. I don't know, I wonder if you're going to be able to see it good. Let's see if it'll focus. It's just like little rocks, little sparkly rocks. Like there's mica and mercury and quartz, and it's really pretty, especially since I'm wearing black and white. My white jeans, I don't know if you can see. Ooh, there. So that looks good. So here's some other things that I've gotten recently. I got a new brush. It's Boar Bristle Brush, Smooth Operator by GSQ by Glam Squad. GSQ, get it? But you know what? I have not even undone this yet. And it's a wider brush, which I tend to like, where it's got the boar brush bristles and the ones that are plastic with old plastic tips, so it doesn't rip through your hair. Let's see. Let me see if it'll just rip out. There we go. And ever so often I replace it with a brush, because no matter how much you use your comb to take it out, take hairs out, after a while it just gets a certain amount of hair dust. It's not even damage, just hair dust, where your hair gets dust in it, and it gets down in there. And because I've pulled it out, I'm like, okay, that's not hair. What is that? And it's dust. It's actual dust. I know that doesn't make sense, but it's hairspray dust. There you go. Hairspray dust. Anyway, so it's about time for a new one. And this is not my usual wet brush, so we'll see how this does. Another big item that I recently got. Yes, that says Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton. And what it is, I'll have to do my little unboxing. It has its little drawer. And it says Monogram 2019 Christmas Animation Victorine Wallet in Fuchsia. There's no fuchsia. I don't remember fuchsia. So here we go. And there it is. Is there fuchsia? Oh, there is. It's this little, okay, so it's a little ski thing. And I thought this would be so cute to use in one of my, actually it's a Brahmin purse, a Melissa. And it's got it's suede and it's got a fleece edge. So you'll see me, I'll definitely show it to you with that purse. But this is a little ski, what do you call it, gondola ski lift. And there's the little one, a little Louis Vuitton little girl in there. And it says, Voulez voyager 1854. And I gotta show this to you up close. I'm gonna see if it'll focus. It is so cute. It's got like, let's see if it'll focus. Look at the little suitcase there. And all the little symbols. This little person that's always, and its little ski slope. It's a Victorine wallet. Oh, fuchsia's the color that's inside. But see, it also, the little ski gondola is also in fuchsia. So it's not just the interior. It's a very cute little scene. Here, I'll just show you the purse that goes with it. It's right here on the shelf. Oh, right now it doesn't go with it, but it goes with the idea of it. This is called the Melissa bag, I believe, and this is a suede and then fleece. And I thought that just looks so ski parka. So I got it to go with that. And because it was a really good price on, I believe, the Real. And inside it looks like that. It's got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 slots, 2 slip pockets back there, 1 big opening here for, you know, cash or whatever you put in. And on the edge is a little change purse. You know what's funny is nobody really uses change. I put other things in there. Matter of fact, what I usually put in is a couple of eyeglass wipes, my little Vice eyeglass wipes, and some of the, what is it? Bausch & Lomb toothpicks. Plastic toothpicks that have both a little floss and a little pick on the end. And those go in there. I really don't use change. Anyway, so I got that. And last but not least, I've waited so long to unbox this with y'all. It's a Dior thing. I don't even know. We're just even going to set it aside and get straight to it. Just open it. I do not even remember. That's how old this is. I'm sorry, y'all. I haven't been around. Honestly, I'm working so crazy. So much time. I just don't have time, and I really miss YouTube. So I've got to make the time. What's in here? I don't know. Let's see. Look, it's unsealed. I've not even looked at this. What's in here? Anything good? Okay, here's all its little filler things. Can you see? What's in here? Okay, it looks like a makeup palette. Looks like an eye makeup palette. Another eye makeup palette. Looks like dressing forward high color eye makeup palette. I must have got a bunch of colors. Christian Le Bon Corps. Hands and body. We'll see what that is. It smells good in here. So there must be some perfume too. I do not like this filler at all. Look at all this mess. It's better than peanuts, but it's very annoying. It's catching on everything. And so I gotta make sure that I get everything out. I did. Okay, we're gonna definitely get rid of that, throw that part in the trash. But I might keep the box. Then again, I might not. I'll tell y'all, God bless, I have gotten so many boxes, you know, from unboxings. I'm thinking, what am I really gonna use this box for? And like, sometimes I really will use them, like put them under a bed with all my extra toiletries or makeup items, and then I just have too much of that. Okay. This almost looks like a little sample bag. Now see, that's really cute to keep in your purse and keep little samples in there. Or all kinds of little things for your purse. Okay, so first is Dior perfume. I'll bet it's a baby for your purse. That's why I probably got it. So it's a little purse mini size. Yep. Love this. Love Dior. And it's also very pretty. I got the large one too. It's very, very pretty. So we'll set that down. What else did I get? Yeah, this is the little sample pouch. But like I said, you can use this like when you go on a trip to put your jewelry in, or keep it in your purse with little samples like this of little things, so when you need them. We'll keep a little perfume. It looks like this is another perfume, maybe for men. Let me see. Always get some for Lance. Dior. Pour Homme. That's nice. I will, no, that's not Pour Homme. But there is a Pour Homme. This is perfume. Dior Riviera. That's this one. Okay. I'm going to spray that on me and let y'all know if it's any good. It honestly smells a little bit like a guy. I don't know if that's going to be a big hit for me. And then also the Dior Homme for men. Alright, so there's that. So that's that. So let's look at these are the Dior Show 5 color. This has sat here so long that I own these now. Will I keep the boxes? I don't know, because depending on how these do, it's pretty box. Packaging not nearly as pretty as the old that used to be blue, and you could turn it at different angles. It was almost like holographic blue, or it had a design in it that as you change angles you could see. It's just a design. And this is just straight black and silver, and I'm like, it's classy, but it's not that different, because black is, and you know, like Chanel's black and white. This is black silver, and can I tell you, this is hard to open. That little CD is, I'm trying to pinch it. Which way do you pull? Oh my gosh. Okay, so I hate this. It's too slicky. Look how slick it is. I can't get a hold. Okay, and these are Sweet Bouquet. Come on. Y'all, I can't get this open. So I hate the packaging now. I can't get it open. Is it sealed? Nope. It is that, I can't get my fingernail in there. So this is going to pop everywhere when I finally get it open. Oh my gosh, like I'm trying to hold the sides to open it, y'all, and it's so slicky, which is pretty, but it won't let me get any friction to pull. And also, that is not like a connector. It's just a little plastic, and I can't get my nail under it. And I don't want to hurt my nails, like break a nail. It's about like that. Oh my gosh, I finally got in. And Why did I get these colors, y'all? Okay, so those would have flown everywhere. That's the little brushes. It's always good to keep a little makeup something. Okay, that's very light colored for me. I mean, it's pretty, very, very pretty, but I think this would be on a, well, I am gray. Y'all, as y'all can see, I've not been coloring. I do color my base in the, right in the part. But other than that, it's just gray. And, because even my old color, it's probably over a year. So it's got a white silver, a champagne silver, a taupe silver, and it's got a pink. Those are all silvery shimmers. It's got a peach satin and a lavender. Now that could be very pretty, especially on somebody with blue eyes. Probably never going to get open again. Okay. Oh, and not only that. Oh my gosh, y'all. I'm going to be here the next 20 minutes. Just no kidding, I can't get that back open. Even though I've already, there we go. That's probably not my colors. Why did I get this color? Why would I get something so light? Anyway, that is number 936, Sweet Bouquet. It is very light colored. So if you have a light platinum hair, silver hair, blue eyes, green eyes, I do have green eyes, that lavender would look good. Okay, so let's put that one there. This one is number 669 in soft cashmere. I just saw this again the other day and thought, I ought to get that one. I've already gotten it. This is the problem. So I know I'll probably keep this one. Well, we'll see. Okay, that one opened so much easier. Just right away it opened. Okay, let me take a little pan out with the two little brushes. That one is soft cashmere, and it's very basic. It's just a champagne silvery, like, glimmer, a lighter white, a darker taupe, a darker brown, and the middle's like a warm brown. And this is just good for every day, y'all. I'll keep this. That would be me. And honestly, I keep, every time I see Dior, I think, I need to get that cashmere, soft cashmere, and I've got it right here. By the way, I also just scraped it. So, hold on. Let me, look, it's so hard the way these things are placed. You almost can't get your nail under it to pop this out, this tray out. What? See, it almost pops it everywhere. I got it out and it just fell back down. Alright, let me try again. There we go. Get your nail under it. And now I gotta blow it because when I put it down, my nail hit it.